Feedback is a gift to me. Many of you have heard me saying this, and I truly mean it. Following three simple practices with respect to feedback consistently has helped me immensely playing an effective leadership role. We all receive feedback in casual conversation, in meetings. That's great. But my first recommendation would be to collect a formal feedback, that too a cadence based. I followed a yearly cadence to collect a formal feedback. While everyone post receiving feedback identifies action, my second recommendation would be to share these actions with those people who have provided feedback. This one step creates a trust, shows your vulnerability, and tells the people who provide feedback that they were heard. Now that you have a list of actions, my third and most important recommendation is be disciplined enough in executing these actions. This will help create a trust within the people who have provided you the feedback, and most importantly, they'll be open and honest when you ask for feedback again. As a leadership coach, I have seen these small habits have not only impacted me but also people I work with. So, if you are a leader, then just don't collect feedback. Create a system, reflect, share, act. This is where the real leadership begins.